Started with a quick ride to the longboat, great longboat ride experience, good lunch, tour guide was very knowledgeable and explained about the traditions of the Buddhist. Greatly recommend this tour to view the old Bangkok. Since I didn't have a plan, I worried a lot about what to do in Bangkok, but I saw a bicycle tour on Klook and signed up. In fact, there weren't many reviews and it wasn't a pickup service, so I was a bit nervous, but the owner was very kind and friendly, spoke well, and took good care of me, so I realized that my worries were unnecessary. Oh, and Koreans who only ride Durungi can experience a smooth pedaling bicycle, but the tour is more about going around local alleys than downtown Bangkok. I highly recommend it to those. A very fun, insightful and interesting tour. The company provides a bottle of water and helmets. A great way to see the local side of Bangkok with lots of well looked after street cats, romantic face emoji, along the way. Our guide, Judy, was very. This is a must try during a trip to Bangkok. Such an amazing trip. Cycling through the streets of Bangkok typical of local residents, visiting temples and also taking a boat across the rivers in Bangkok. Worth to try. Very interesting activity, especially to do it in the morning. Been to Bangkok for 5 times but this is the first time I ever had this experience. Job and Kung Fu were great as well. We arrived a bit late due to transport but the guide was very nice to wait for us. They explained well and a very nice ride. We enjoy the boat as well. I was concerned because there weren't many reviews on bike tours, but I applied because I had nothing else to do. But I am very satisfied because it exceeded my expectations. It may be difficult for those who are not good at riding a bike. I went alone, but it was easy to get along with everyone. Coffee and meals are all included, and I'm really satisfied because I was super highly recommended activity in Bangkok. I loved everything about the trip, the cycling and the exciting route in the narrow streets of Bangkok, the stopovers to see different places, the temples etc. Also got to eat and try different local food, fed some fishes in the river, 2x, plus that nice canal boat tour. This tour was more than what I expected. Our tour guide was also amazing and kind and informative. He also gave us enough time to explore at each stopover and made sure we get to have a really good. I toured with guide Job, and he was so kind and guided me well, so I enjoyed the tour. I had snacks and coffee in the middle, visited the temple, and included lunch, so it wasn't too hard. However, there are times when I pass through a fairly narrow alley or a market with a lot of people, so I ride my bike pretty well. I think it would be better if you take the road less traveled and explore Bangkok on bicycle. Great workout and amazing way to explore this city. Must try. The best activity that you can do in Bangkok. Cycling along the local area makes you feel more of the culture. Cycling is for the whole family, highly recommended. We are riding in the old Bangkok area and he will take you deep into the alleys of the market, and will also take you to drink coffee and snacks eaten by locals in Bangkok. They bought pineapples for us to eat. You can see local people selling vegetables in the market. The price includes lunch and a long-tail boat ride. Only 4 of our family signed up today. If a family goes to Bangkok,